All right, guys, here we go. Out here today, I'm going to shoot one of Fuel and Firepowers and Illinois Airguns Christmas targets. They had come out a couple of them Christmas time. Of course, I wasn't short with all shooting out. It was cold and all the snow and stuff. Out. Uh, so I'm going to do a 50 yards right here. It's phone says 6 miles an hour wind right there. It kind of comes and goes. Sometimes I think it's hard now, but you kind of see the wind flags blowing there. And I want to use the Winchester Wildcat. Nothing special about it. Only thing that's metal on it is, or steel is the barrel and the bolt. The rest is all plastic. But I really like this gun. I put a lot of rounds into this thing right there. Now it's got a mid 10, 16 power scope on there. I think I can only crank her up to about 12 power till it gets blurry. The diopter isn't working on it. The parallax isn't working on it. I can see right there. And the illumination works, but barely. Even at dusk, you can barely see it. That's what I'm going to try to shoot. I don't know. I don't even know where it's going to hit at. I haven't shot it today. But yesterday I had Justin with Buckeye Ballistics out here, and he was trying his new MMG 22 conversion for your AR-15s. And so you see all kinds of ammo. Hell, I think one little Pupaw with a Gila, but it ran 3 mags full of mini mags, flawlessly. And I said, okay, we're gonna try some Winchesters, with a big old fat hollow point on these jam up and log guns. We'll try some of them, and it ran that flawlessly. That kind of impressed me. I'm gonna have to get one. I don't know. You want to see MMGs? Let me know what you think about it. And he's hitting pretty good targets too. So we're gonna shoot this here. I'll put you in the spotting scope. I have no idea where it's gonna hit at, and we'll find out, I guess. So let me pause you here. Okay, I guess we got a sighter up there at the top left, the snowman. And adjust my bipod here a little bit. See where she hits at. That was loud. I have no idea where it hit at. It goes that far out of whack right there. Maybe. I know it's a bonus right there. We're going to go for that Santa Claus right there in the middle right there. That little Santa Claus kind of aim at it. Just so you can see where the hell it's even hitting at. Did I hit that close to the Santa Claus? Is that... Let me try one more right there. By his hand right there, maybe? You got me. No, I just shoot this gun not yesterday. DB4 right there in the scope. Oh my gosh, that's pathetic. Tell you what we're going to do. Hang on, I'm going to pause you here for a second. Okay, I just took that mid-10 scope off. I put on a bar scope. I think I might have had this bar scope here before, so hopefully it's close. I don't know. Let's try one with that little Santa Claus there again. This is just a 9 power scope. Ooh, I have paper towel. Hold on a second here. Okay, I did a couple shots on the 25-yard swingers right here. I can see hitting the paint. Bring it down a little bit. Let's just try one more time with a little tiny sand up there, the bonus one, even though this won't count. Okay, I think I got it. I see up the writing there where it says yards down between the D and the S. I think that's where. Let's try one more practice shot right there. Go in the same hole, or I don't know. Don't know. Oh, I see. There's a bullet hole up there on the S of the Christmas right there. Come down a little bit more. Okay, let's try again here. We'll get it set in here eventually. Let me pause you here and load back up here again. I'm out. Okay, I'm loaded back up here again. Let's. Is it right by the S? Shot right there, I think. I'm going to come 2 clicks to the left. There we go. 1, 2 clicks down. And let's just go for it. Okay. Now, oh, there's a Grinch target there, too. Let's go for the first snowman right there on the top left. There's a 9-fire scope, Winchester ammo. I had no idea. Look, there's this next target right here. Unless that's the hole right down at the bottom. It might be right down the bottom there, just not showing up real good. To put a snowman. Let's go for the Christmas tree. Oh, let's go for the bell. Is that in the bottom of the bell? Maybe. I don't know. Or is that the dinger thing in the bell? Let's go for the sock. Have no idea. Candy cane. Just missed that little Christmas tree. Little snowman. Ornament. Okay, gingerbread man. Candy cane. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let up here real quick. So what I got here? 1, 2, 3. You know, I've got 3 down below. My breath load a whole magazine full. Well, I got my excuse out today. I'm using Winchester ammo. But it should shoot Winchester ammo good in a Winchester gun, right? Well, I was going to swap that mid-10 back out too, because at 25 yards when I was shooting with it the other day, it was just a blur at 25 yards. You know, the parallax would not adjust down. Yeah. you know, it'll go back in the box. Besides, on a gun like this, you really only want a 9 power on it anyway. So, let's see here. Get up in there. Okay, what do you have? I'm shooting at that little candy cane on the bottom row. Okay. I don't know. I might be able to plug the tip of that. I don't know. I'll blow it up here a little bit more. Well, what happened there? Just barely firing pinstrike. Usually this gun works fine, but he uses Winchester ammo. What am I after now? Okay, can't even want the sucker now. It's our best there. And that present box right there. I think it's a miss. And what the heck's the extra bonus points? What is that? 3 ornaments down below. Close. I wasn't shooting at that one though. I was shooting at the middle one. Let me blow this up here. I want to see if that's something else there or not. That's just the points. Okay, well, let's go on back down here a little bit. Yeah, that's a bullet hole in the bell, I think. You got Santa Claus there and the Grinch. Let's go for the Grinch first. Oh, Santa Claus. Nope, not part of the belt. I was going to get rid of the rest of this ammo I got in the magazine here. That's it. Okay. So what did we score? Let's look at it here. I think I got a bullet hole in the bottom of that snowman. I don't know about that tree. It may plug, may not. I don't know. Yeah, right there. The bell got, so at least got 2 right there. I don't see a hole in that sock. I think I missed that candy cane. Missed small tree, missed that snowman, missed the ornament. I could probably plug that. But plugging in and touch the bottom of that candy cane. So I'm gonna count it. I'm stretching, I know, but missed the present right there. I'm pretty sure. You know, didn't get none of these 3 down here, so I ought to get 3, possibly 4. I think. I don't know. Yeah, back down here. Okay, that's fuel and firepower and Illinois Airguns, yeah, Christmas challenge right there. Let me take you out of the spotting scope. I'll show you what I put on here. So yeah, I took this mid-10 scope off here. I put it right here, 3 to 9 bars going here, and of course I zeroed up fairly quickly, I guess, compared to the mid-10 right there. So. You know, I've gotten like, you know, I don't know, bipods and stuff on mid-10 and being okay before. It's just not that scope right there. But I'm blaming all on the Winchester ammo where I would hit every one of them. So, let me know what you think, guys, and we'll talk to you next time.